The Somero Virtual Trainer, developed by ForgeFX Simulations, enables trainees to familiarize themselves with a life-sized interactive digital replica of the S22EZ. A tutorial panel guides the user through each step. Highlighted areas direct the user to target locations and indicate interactive components which animate the correct procedure. Hand tracking and teleportation capabilities allow the trainee to move anywhere around the machine. The virtual controls allow the trainee to practice operating the machine, quickly gaining proficiency in driving, maneuvering, and screeding. Virtual concrete realistically responds to the screed head. A real-time graphic overlay indicates the amount of concrete on grade, while trainees rehearse the sequence of tasks that ensure a smooth, high-quality surface. Providing realistic, memorable training while ensuring operator safety. The Somero S22EZ Virtual Trainer, developed by ForgeFX Simulations.